This video covers the functionality of the Geomap in the Infraon Infinity Suite. Geomap allows for visualization of the location of all the assets by associating a geographic area with GPS coordinates. Geomap enables the admins to visualize the location of the assets and also provides information about the working conditions of these assets. Let's first go over the prerequisites for using a Geomap. First, ensure that the address book is added to the device. Each entry in the address book must be mapped with its corresponding latitude and longitude coordinates. Here are the fields for longitude and latitude, which can be visibly. These coordinates need to be precisely added to each contact in the address book. By doing so, these coordinates will be plotted on the Geomap, showing the exact location based on the latitude and longitude provided. Once the latitude and longitude are added to the address book, the next step is to map these addresses to the assets. To do this, select the required asset. Click on the More button, then select Location. Select the location from the drop-down menu. A list of the addresses that has been added in the address book will be visible. Select the relevant address and save the necessary changes. This update will ensure that the address is associated with the specific asset. Multiple assets at once can also be updated using the bulk selection. Select multiple assets and then click on the More option. Select Location, then Edit. Click on the drop-down menu to proceed with the updates. Select the address and save it. Bulk exports or bulk edits of addresses across all assets can also be done using a CSV file method. To proceed, click on Action and then select Bulk Edit. Choose the category of asset for which address needs to be added. Download the sample CSV file that has pre-filled data and details of the assets. Now open the same CSV file. Here, add the necessary address, like a location. Enter the location name, such as Head Office, or any other location from the address book. After inputting the information, save the CSV file and upload it back to the bulk edit section. Click on Proceed with Records to complete the process. This is how bulk editing or adding information to the asset address book can be done. Once the address book is updated in the system, let's see the Geomap in detail. Geomap makes managing assets, identifying opportunities, and providing quick service easy. If the technician's location matches the asset location, it becomes straightforward to assign the technician and, in turn, results in a quick resolution. Prompt service, in turn, enhances the customer experience. Default view of a Geomap in an OpenStreetMap can be seen. Here, navigate quickly by zooming in or out and right-clicking to drag the map. Double-click on a pinpoint to zoom into a specific area, such as a city, district, or state level. Information such as country, total sites, total devices, up devices, down devices, disabled devices, and unknown devices is shown when the mouse pointer hovers over a Geomap location. Clicking on a pinpoint, a pop-up slider will appear, displaying how many assets have been mapped to that particular address or location. View the status of the devices at the top of the map, including how many are active, up, and how many are inactive, down. Clicking on an up device will bring up a pop-up slider, showing the details of that active device. And clicking on a device that is offline, a slide will show the details of that device. Customize the map view and click on Save for later use. The map will then save the zoom and orientation settings by default. Once navigated back to the Geomap, those settings will be preserved. On the top panel, select Presentation View for better viewing experiences. Also, Infraon supports various map types such as OpenStreetMap, Google Road Map, Google Terrain Map, Google Altered Road Map, Google Satellite, Google Terrain Only, Google Hybrid, Bing Road, Bing Aerial with labels, Bing Road Dark, and offline maps. Depending on availability, select the map type, and it will change accordingly. Next, there is a Group By feature to sort the devices based on city, district, state, or country. Click on a city, for example. It will display pop-up information or a pinpoint location to show where that particular asset has been deployed. To reset the positions, simply click on the Reset button. The positions will be reset to their default state. This concludes the Geomap available in the Infraon Infinity Suite.